TDR issue, Windows crashing again and again, graphics card not detected, and almost there is no mega hash in my Ethereum mining rig. So what the hell like thing is going on right now here with my Ethereum mining rig? It is really a nightmare for me. I'm trying to fix it more and more, and it is troubling me more and more. While doing so, I almost broke my latest rx5700 graphics card, which is really a weird part right now for me. So really we can go ahead and fix this system up and try to run this once again. So what exactly the problem is, where exactly the problem is? While troubleshooting the Windows 10 or the graphics driver, I have identified few things. Maybe this would be helpful for you as well. This is the problem with the motherboard, not with the Windows 10 or the graphics driver. The motherboard PCI slot is almost not working, or it is now dead almost. So for fixing this issue, to make this Ethereum mining rig runs one again, I have purchased few new gadgets to set this system up once again and see if it's gonna to work for me again or not. So for this, I have purchased few latest risers which have 8 capacitors, and I will use these risers because this is the very much important part to use the graphics card on in my Ethereum mining rig. So it is the latest one having 8 capacitor, and I also purchased the latest CPU cooler which will cool my CPU, and the latest this motherboard. This one is the very heavy motherboard from asrock. This is asrock B150 Pro 4 motherboard. So I have identified there is an issue with the motherboard which I am right now using. It is BioStar TB250 BTC Pro motherboard. So it is having trouble with the PCI slot. So to make my Ethereum mining rig work once again for me, I will use all this new hardware and set up a new system and see if this gonna work for me or not. So stay here and let's build up this new system using all this new hardware. So here we have completed two part. In first part I have installed CPU on my latest motherboard with the CPU cooler. You can see this one is perfectly get fitted on this motherboard. So this one is completed, and after that I have reinstalled the heat sink and the heat coolant on my rx5700 graphics card. I have put the heat pad and the heat paste, and after I put the heat sink, main heat sink on this graphics card.